Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Netspend help support. If you need help with a Netspend account, whether it's a technical issue or question about transaction, lost, stolen cards, support or general customer service, here are the main ways you can contact the support team from your PC. What you can do is open any of the web browser and in the top type down netspend.com and enter it. Over here, once you reach into this official interface of the Netspend, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this help center. You need to select this help center here, and here you can find all of the articles. You can select any of this article from here as well, or you can also chat to the Netspend virtual assistant here. You can type a message in what help support you need, either for the managing a card. If you want to activate your card, add money to the card, you can simply select the message and Netspend virtual assistant will help you throughout as well. And you can also browse through all the FAQs here. You can select the popular topics. You can also search any of the article that you can find, and that is it. This is how you can contact the Netspend help support on PC. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.